6 years of Modi government has seen the praying of the bonds of empathy, fraternity, and brotherhood with a massive increase in acts of communal and sectarian violences. Myth 6, strong leadership versus incoherent decisions making. In the 6 years of Modi government, national interest has been constantly compromised and sacrificed at the altar of political self-interest. 6 years of Modi government witnessed a sharp increase in martyrdom of our Jawans by nearly 110%. Key defense establishment, including the Uriak Amiak Brigade headquarters, Pathankot Air Base, and Nagroda Army Base, Amarnath Yatra, among others, are repeatedly attacked by the Pak trained terrorists as a clueless government looked on. 40 CRPF Jawans give the ultimate sacrifice in Pulwama. The conspiracy behind the smuggled RDX, the glaring security breach and connection to a senior police officer caught escorting terrorists still remain unresolved. Till date, no one has explained the mystery as to how did the Prime Minister lose contact and remained busy in shooting film in Jim Corbett Park at the time of the Pulwama terrorist attack. All talk, no walk. Never hesitant to use the achievements of the armed force of their brazen political campaign. The government has thoughtlessly slashed the defense budget. In the budget 2020-21, defense was allocated just 1.58% of the GDP, lowest amount since 1962. Post-COVID, this budget has been reduced further. The failure of guerrilla diplomacy. The unprovoked incursion in Ladakh by Chinese armed force in Pangong, So Lake and Galwan Valley regions raised grave apprehensions vis-a-vis our national security, coming as it does after the Doklam standoff. It has caused serious concerns and anxiety, more so because Prime Minister has not come forward to share any details with the nation, much less speak to the Chinese with his promised red eyes. Relationship with the neighbors. The build-up of the border dispute with Nepal, the expansion on Peidu Pinolo Island in the Maldives by the Chinese, the long-term agreement of Hambantota port in Sri Lanka with the Chinese are all a sign of dragon cloud affecting our national security concerns. At the end of 6 long years, it appears that the Modi government is a war with its people, inflicting wounds instead of healing them. It is somewhat surprising that they still haven't grasped the most fundamental lessons of governance in a democracy. We are elected to serve, listen, protect, and uplift, not to divide, mislead, and to distract. The sooner this government realizes that, the better it will be for the nation and for their own places in its history.